What designed and engineered in the U.S. means to us, to our team, is that we can fully control the outcome. It's completely controlled and developed from the North American side. So it's very important to us that we get everything right, everything perfect.
The North America team was really vibrant and excited to work on Avalon. It gave us a great chance to kind of start from scratch. Toyota looked at every part, every system, and started over. Toyota's philosophy is a hands-on, everybody at the same site type of philosophy. It's critical that we work together during the whole process.
We have a fully functioning design studio in Ann Arbor, Michigan, which is very close to the Toyota Technical Center. So we work very closely with the engineers on all of our North American produced vehicles. It's a tight-knit group, so we can get a lot accomplished. We have a very streamlined working relationship with all of the groups, and that really helps us create a better product and a better experience for our customer.
The Avalon is on our third generation of engineering in the U.S., and it really gives the team a pride and passion to continue to make it better.